I was always the energetic guy, positive guy, walked into a room and carried the energy with me. But for about 8 months, a year before I discovered Limitless, I just felt flat. No energy, tougher to get out of bed in the morning, not super excited about all the stuff that I always like to do, just a lot less passion. And the biggest thing I found was, my positivity wasn't really there, my energy wasn't really there. I just didn't feel like myself. It got to a point where, I was super negative, and my wife, one of the things that attracted her to me was my positivity and my energy that I carry. And she was frustrated with me, and she's like, "You're just not yourself. Something is off with you." So I'd heard about the commercials, I'd seen the commercials on social media about Limitless Male, and I resisted it for a while, and then one day I was like, that's it, I can't do this anymore. There's gotta be something wrong. Something's off, it doesn't feel right. I need to have a conversation with somebody. And if these people can help me get back to where I need to be, it's worth it.